Alright, looks like we got another software update. Here you can see version 2023.27.6. Alright, so it says it's going to take about 25 minutes to install. I'm going to click install now. It's going to say it takes 2 minutes to start. We're just going to tap. And there you go, 1 second. And the update's going to start. So again, it's going to take, it says about 25 minutes, so we'll let it go and we'll see what happens. 2023.27.6. Alright, so the update finished. We are on FSD beta 11.4.7.2. Alright, here are the new notes. I don't know if you want to, I don't know if you want to pause and read this. It's a lot of stuff. Basically what has improved. Okay. And I think is that it? Nope. Okay, now we're on the FSD full self-driving beta 2023.27.5. I don't know if my car skipped any of the updates. Sometimes mine doesn't get all the updates and then it just skips and gets a different one. Again, you're welcome to pause and read if you want. Okay, then we have this thing about the suspension. I wonder if my stuff reset. I think all this other stuff is the same. Visualizations and the cabin camera. Oh, they never shown this before, I don't think. Sharing, oh, okay, never mind, this is the same. They just put a new visualization thing here. Charge on solar, that's new. Interesting. What's this? Spotify? Did they fix Spotify? Okay, so it looks like they updated Spotify, so I'm kind of curious what they did. We'll take a look at that. Automatic headlights. So when your windshield wipers are on, I guess the headlights are automatically on. What's that? New games? So you got destination closing soon. Oh, okay, so now if you navigate to a place, it'll show you, I guess, their hours. So we're finally getting caught up with what people that didn't have FSD had. Looks like Vampire Survivors game. If that's the case, we probably have like where we can enlarge the font sizes and stuff. Bluetooth game controllers. Huh. Can I actually connect my controllers with Bluetooth now? I don't know if I have Bluetooth ones. Camera view on Tesla. Now you can see multiple cameras at once. Ooh, that's nice. Vehicle settings and control, safety view, camera. So I have to go through that. Safety. You need the new app and premium connectivity. Warmer display colors. Okay, so now we can do blue light reduction. Tire service mileage. Huh. So you can reset the tire rotation thing. Interesting. Yep, there we go. We have the text size thing that we can increase. My parents, when they're in my car, they're always complaining that the text size is too small. I don't know how much larger it's going to be, but we'll find out. Okay, looks like now you can search for settings. So if you know specific settings you want, you can search for those. Points of interest, now it will show like reviews and things. You'll also see photos. And yeah. There we go. Phone call controls. Now you can use the left scroll button to answer and decline incoming calls while you're on a call. You can use it to mute and unmute yourself or hang up. Interesting, new stuff. Scroll wheel customization. So now you can make the left scroll wheel do stuff. Settings for brightness, acceleration mode, toggling camera app, opening the glove box, saving dash cam footage, Long press the left scroll button to bring up a list of functions and scroll through the list. Okay, so I'll try that. Choose which function comes up by default. Controls display scroll wheel functions. Okay. Is that it? Oh, no. Here we go. Gear chimes. Now you can make it chime when you shift gears. I don't think I need that. It makes that space sound when you go into reverse. Right? And then I guess they have, you can launch the manual so you can learn more stuff. Voice recognition languages. Alright, they now added British. Other updates. Alright, what's that? Recents, favorites, now separate tabs. The media player. Slider adjust volume, temperature, charge limit are more precise. Sentry mode records if someone tries to open a door or trunk when the vehicle's locked. So now if somebody tries to open your car while it's locked, then it will automatically record. Alright, there's the owner's manual. Release notes, new manual app. So you can learn everything about the car. Automatic navigation shows more details about the destination. Swiss and French keyboards. Is that it? Okay, I think that's it. So let's go in here. So now you can see they have this little blue dot, I guess, to show there's new settings, and then it shows you where those new settings are. So if we go in here, we can reduce blue light. Now we get this more yellowy orange brown color. So that's kind of nice. All right. What else do we got? Scroll wheel function. So you can choose here. I forget what it did before, but anyways, you got fan speed, wiper speed, display brightness, save dash cam, acceleration mode, steering wheel heat, camera, defrost, dome lights, glove box. What did I do with it before? What is it before? Okay, what is this? Data sharing? Yeah, that's fine. Ask each drive, so you can make it so it will ask if you wanted to include start and end drive data. I'll let them have all the data. I don't care. Okay. Allow cabin camera analytics. Allow road segment data analytics. Charging data analytics. Okay. I guess they added these off by default because sometimes it would record people doing stuff in their garage or wherever they're parked and they didn't want it. But, yeah. Okay. It's whatever. I don't care. Accept all. There we go. Alright, so let's see. Right now, the left one, you can see it does volume. And I think left and right, was that the next... change this. Oh, I need to hold the brake. Okay, give me a second. I need to turn my wheel. Okay, if I remember correctly, give me a second. I need to pause because I don't want it to play like copyrighted music and then get flagged or something. Okay, so yeah, currently left scroll wheel is volume, and then if you move it left and right, it will do like the next track. Here's what the new Spotify update looks like. How do I get back to the home of Spotify? This is... I'm gonna have to figure out... Oh, here. They have a home button here. Okay, so they added the little search thing. If you want to change your audio thing, you can change it there. I guess they have this add. I don't know what that adds it to. I'm not sure what the plus thing does. Oh, does it say here? No. It doesn't say what the plus button does, so I don't know. They have the random. They have repeat. Then they have the audio settings you can change, like balances and stuff. They have browse. They have the library. I'm going to have to turn the volume down, but let's see if I push a random thing. Let's see. Uh-oh. Okay, so here you have, I don't know what this check and plus thing is for, but you have that. They should tell you what this means, because I have no idea. Then you have pause, you have the random. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure what all that is. Then they have the sign out button there. Okay, so let's see what happens if we hold down the left scroll wheel. It says it lets you have a menu to change stuff. So here you can see, now I can choose, right now it's none. You can do temperature, fan speed, wiper speed, brightness, save dash cam, acceleration mode, steering wheel heat, camera, defrost, dome lights, open glove box. So if I push open glove box, what happens here? Does it just auto? Oh, it just opens it by itself. So what happens if I push it now? Nothing. Oh, it just unpauses my music. So that does the volume and unpausing. So if you hold it, then you can manually, oh, I guess, no, I don't want it to do that. Go away. What if I want to change? Did it permanently change what it is? Oh, I see. Okay, so it shows you here, since I put open glove box, you can go to the left. Oops. You can go to the left to go back to the menu, and then you can scroll here again. So I can do dome lights. You can do on, auto, off. That's cool. So you have more stuff here. So you have the camera. Then it opens up the cameras. So you can close it. You can go back. Steering wheel heat. Okay, you can set all the different temperatures. Acceleration mode. You can change standard or chill. Dash cam. So if I go to here, oh, it just saves it automatically. Okay, brightness. You can up the screen brightness here. Wiper speed, fan. Okay, I guess you can tell what all of that stuff does. So that's pretty cool. I'll just leave it at the volume for now because it's pretty rare that I'll need to change the other things. Let's see here. What else? Did they reset my... Oh, I don't need to search, but here you go. They have some default stuff here. Suggestions. Apply regen brake when braking is limited. Reduce blue light. Text size. Let's see what larger does. Oh, it's going to restart my whole car. Okay, I guess if you guys want to see how long that takes, I'll record the whole thing and you can fast forward out of it, but let's see what other features. So they have the scroll wheel, you can default or you can have it ask each time. I'm going to say ask each time. So I think that way, oh, okay. I think that way you have to like hold the button and then it will start at none. So let's see if I go to the brightness one and then I turn that off. If I hold it again. Nope, still stays at none. So I don't know what that ask each time does. I don't know what ask each. I guess you can set a default here, but then each time it'll ask. I don't know. Because I don't think I really, like, how often would I need to open my glove box by using that or any of these other things? Like, it's nice to have the option, so I'll do ask each time, but I don't want to default. Okay, Sentry mode is on. Camera-based detection is on. You can disable the sounds. Disabling Sentry will no longer honk or generate a loud, unexpected sound when... Okay, so if it thinks something is major happening, it will make some sounds. Car wash mode, Joe mode. So these are just stuff that they default with the search. Okay, so I don't think anything is new here. Okay, acceleration. I think this is all the same. Yep, charging. Okay, so they said it's more accurate now. So we have this. And now you can actually see what percentage you're sliding to. So that's nice. I can charge to specific. And it says 80% is recommended for daily driving. So I guess I should leave it at 80. I've been charging to 85, so I guess I've been damaging my battery. Anyways, charge at the current location. You can set. I think that's new. I don't remember seeing that. Okay. Autopilot. We have full self-driving beta. So it didn't reset this. You can see, still disabled 3 times due to improper usage, and it will no longer operate if it disables 5 times. I don't know if that will ever reset. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I went on a long road trip, and then I kept seeing I wasn't looking up enough, and it would disable. Okay. Full self-driving beta. Chill. Assertive. I think all of this is the same. Yeah, I think all of this is the same. Okay, we got the locks. Nothing new there. Windows lock, walkaway door lock, driver door unlock mode, unlock on park. Okay, I think nothing else is new. Lights. Auto. Okay. Display, dark, reduce blue light. That's new. Okay, I guess the only other thing is to increase the text size, but let's continue taking a look here. I wonder why, where'd it go? I wonder why this doesn't say new. Anyways, trips. That's the same. Navigation. I think that's all the same. Safety. Okay, so it said they added stuff here. Let's see. Camera-based Sentry sounds. Live camera. So I do have View Live Camera on mobile app. And I'll show you guys a screenshot of my camera thing, what it shows, because now it says you can see all of it at once. Allow mobile access. Yes. Pin to drive. Glove box. Okay. You can set a speed limit. Okay, I think all of this is nothing new. There's service here. Why is one of my tires less? Tire service mileage, approximately 20,000 miles ago. So it gave me that thing to service my tire like 20,000 miles ago. My tires look fine. I'm going to reset that. So here you can see. Reset mileage after each tire rotation. Replace. Okay, because this is new, so I've never had this before. Update tire season based on the tire. Select tire reason. Oh, tire season. Sorry, we got all season. Alright, anyways, we're going to reset. Now, hopefully it will stop bothering me about the rear tire thing. Wheels, okay, that's correct. I have the 19-inch Gemini. Okay, what else? There's car wash mode, adjusting headlights, towing, all of this stuff. Fine with all that. Software, you can see we're going to be on the new. There's a new FSD 11.4.7.2. I don't remember what it was before. And then the update is 2023.27.6. And upgrades. Okay, I think that's everything. So let's go ahead now and go to the display and change the text size to large. Okay, let's restart. Remember, hopefully you guys remembered the text size. And once it restarts, we'll see. Okay. Okay, I guess it's a little bit larger. I don't know if it's gonna affect anything else. Oh yeah, it's definitely larger. Honestly, I prefer the smaller look, but if you have bad vision, I guess this will help some of you. If your vision is so bad that even with this larger mode you can't see, I think you should be wearing glasses when you drive. I don't know, but yeah. All right. So there's that. Yeah, it's definitely stuff is bigger, but I don't know, it kind of annoys me. Alright, I'm gonna take a look at the camera thing and then I'll be back. If you want to see a full self-driving test video, I'll do that on a separate video. Alright, but let me show you guys the camera thing and then I guess that's the end of this video. So I'll see you guys there. Alright, so here you can see what the app looks like. We'll go to live camera. Alright, so as you can see, it takes a while to load, and I have to do a voiceover on this because once the camera was to load, for some reason, it distorted the screen audio recording. But here you can see the front, rear, left, and right cameras. It doesn't show the internal one, and then there's that little grid-looking button on the middle right, and as you can see, that lets you see one camera at a time. You press it again, and it shows all four. And yeah, then you can see the inside one. I don't know why, but the inside one, it doesn't work when someone's inside the car or if it detects something in the seats, which I think is dumb because what if you need to see what they're doing in there? But yeah, it disables that. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.